Welcome to our class 9. So students, today we are going to discuss the Maths 1 topic and chapter number 6, chapter number 4 set. Okay. In the previous video we have discussed the types of the set, what is meant by set. So in this an example we have discussed. In this video we are going to discuss the method of writing the set. There are two types of method: Brewster method, or we call it the listing method, rule methods, or we call as a set builder method. Once again I am saying there are two types of method to writing the sets: Brewster or listing method is there, rule method or set builder method. And next topic is example. In this video we are going to discuss this topic. Okay, so let's start the video. So we are going to discuss the Brewster method, or we call as a listing method. So in Brewster method, elements is represented by, set is represented by OK, that is capital letter. Okay students, and we are using the curly bracket, opening curly bracket, close curly bracket. Okay, and we are using the elements which are separated by commas. Say for example, we have taken suppose example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the letters. So how to write in this? In listing methods, element is separated by the commas, opening the curly bracket, close the curly bracket. Okay, remember the student, we are using the commas to denote or separated the, we are using what? Commas to represent the letter, to represent the letters. Okay, or to present the set. In this fashion we are writing the listing method or Brewster method. Say for example, if you have the collection of the natural numbers, so how to represent a collection of the natural numbers? This set is represented by capital N, collection of the natural numbers. So again we are using what? In set in listing method we are retaining the elements in the curly bracket. Okay students, and each element is separated by the commas. This is a second example. Rational number is there, irrational number is there, real number. You can use the commas to separate out the elements. Okay, in the listings method. So next method is what student? Set builder method. How to represent the set? How to return the set in the set builder method? So set builder method, or we call as a students set builder method or rule method. So what is a set builder method student? In set builder method student, we are representing the set, again capital letters. Suppose I have taken the set of all what? Set of all natural numbers I have taken, or set of all even numbers if I have taken. Suppose I have taken the set A is contains a set of all even numbers. If you want to represent the set, this set in the set builder form, then how to represent this numbers in set, this set in set builder form? Just taken the what? Curly bracket. Okay students, you have to take the curly bracket, and inside that we are taking what? Set of all even numbers. So how to represent the even numbers? What is the first even number is there? So students, what is even number first? My first even number is what? 2. What next my even number students? Tell me. Next even number is what? 4. What my next even number? 6. So dot. Okay. So in set builder methods we are not using the separated by the comma. This is actually listing methods. Okay. We have to convert this in set builder method. But in set builder methods we are not using commas. We are not using the elements. We just using the characteristics. In set builder methods we are using the characteristics. So is it multiple of 2? 2, 4, 6, 8. Is it multiple of 2? set of even number. Students, give the answer in the comment box. 2, 4, 6, 8. Is it multiple of 2? So answer is what? Yes. It is a multiple of the 2. If you want the first number, so what should I do? So 2. If you want the 2, so 2 nothing but what? 2 times something. What should I write here? So t is a it means 2 ones are 2. How to get 4 next number? So 2 times what should I multiply? When we get 2 students, when we get 4 students, if you 2 multiply with something number is what? 2. 2 2s are 4. If you how to get 6? 2 3s are 6. How to get 4? 2 4s are 8. How to get 10? 2 5s are 10. It means multiple of what? 6. 2 5s are something. How to get 4? 2 4s are something. 4 3s are 2 2s are 4. So it is a multiple of 2. Okay, students. So in this set builder methods, we are always returning this set of all x. How to return this set? A is equal to set of all x such that what is x? X is of the pattern what? X is equal to what? X is a pattern of what? 2 times n. Is it pattern? Will you get this pattern? Yes or no? So will you get this pattern? So this is a multiple of 2. Okay. If I take first number, then n you have to take on 1. If you want to 4 number, then you have to take n as a 2. If you want 6 number, then n is equal to 3. So on, so on. If you want the 4, if you want the 8, then you have to n put as a 4. Okay. So x nothing but 2n, and n belongs to the natural. So in this way we define the set of all even numbers in this fashion. If you put the value, if I put the n is equal to 1, so what student we get? Here if you put n is equal to 1, so what we get student? X is equal to 2 times of something. I have taken 1, then we get the 2 answer. Okay. If you put n as a 2 natural number, so we get the 4. And this n belongs to means what student? This n belongs to, we call it as n belongs to. N belongs to means n is a member of n. Students, I live in Khopoli. It means I belong to the Maharashtra state. I belong to the Raigad district. Here belongs to means what student? Member of the state. Here belongs to, read as belongs to. What? Belongs to. N belongs to n means what student? N is a member of n. Okay student? That n is a member of n. N is a member of n means what? N is a contained in n, or n is a element of n. One more I will give example. I live in Khopoli. It means I am the member of the Maharashtra state. I am the member of the Khopoli. Okay. It means I belongs to the Khopoli. Nikhil sir belongs to Khopoli. Nikhil sir belongs to Maharashtra state. Nikhil sir belongs to Raigad district. But I contain in the Raigad. Okay students. So same like that. So this is the way to return the set builder method. Set of, again I will read it. Set of all x such that x is equal to 2n, n belongs to the natural number. Okay students. So this is the way to define the set. So we will move towards the example. Okay student. So students, we are going to discuss write the following set in the roster form. Okay, we have the example, set of all even natural number. First example, set of all negative integers. Second example, set of prime numbers from the 1 to 50. We have taken this example. We have taken this example from the practice set 1.1. Okay, we are going to solve the first question, and we are going to solve the second question. Okay, students. So set of all even natural numbers. We are going to represent this set in the roster form. We have to return in the roster form. Okay, students. So how to return in the roster form? Set of all even natural numbers. So even natural number students, we are taking the set. For that, we have taken the set as A, and we are going to represent this in roster form. What I am saying? Roosters mean in roosters method, students. We have taken the what? Curly bracket, opening curly bracket, close curly bracket, and elements are separated by the commas. Okay, students, try to understand. Elements are represented by the separated by commas in the rooster methods. So, students, for that, set of all even natural number. So, student, what even natural number start from which number? So, give the answer in the comment box. Even numbers start from which number? Our even numbers start from the 2. Okay, students. So answer is 2. So even number start from 2. So our first even natural number is what? 2. So what about next? What about next, students? So my next even natural number is what? We want even natural number. So first even natural number is 2. After that what? 6. After that even natural number is what? 2, 4, 6. After that 8, like that. So this is my first answer. Okay, student. Set of all even natural number is what? 2, 4, 6, 8. So students, next is a set of all negative integers. Set of all negative integers. So I have taken for that, we have taken the capital B as a set. Okay. Set of all negative integers. So students, negative integers is a small, largest negative integer is what, student? -1. After the what? -2, -3. We want negative. Okay, students, not a positive. So answer is what? -1, -2, -3, so on. It does not have any limit. Okay, students. Set of all negative integers is what? -1, -2, -3. Okay, next answer is, student, set of all prime numbers. What I am saying? Prime. Okay, student. So we are taking for that, we have taken capital C as a set. And we want what? Prime number, students. So prime number start from which number, students? Raise your hand. We start from what prime number? So give the answer in the comment box. Okay, student. Prime number start from what? 2. Okay. The smallest prime number is what, student? 2. After the next prime number is what, student? So what is actually prime number? Prime number means what? Their divisor should be 1 or itself. Having 2 divisor. Okay, student. Having how much divisor? 2 divisor. The number having 2 divisor is called prime number. The smallest prime number is what? 2. 2 has divisor what? 2 has divisor. How many divisor? 2 and 1. Next prime number is what? 3. 3 having how many divisor? 3 having 3 and what? 1. Next prime number is 4. 4 is prime number, yes or no? So answer is no. 4 having how many divisor? 4 having 1, 2, 4. The divisor is what? Prime number means what, student? The divisor should be 2. Should be 2. Those number having divisor is 2. So next prime number is 5. So on. Okay. So next question, student, write the following statement in the wording form. We have solved this question number first. Okay. Next question we are going to discuss. Write the following statement in wording form. 4/3 belongs to Q. Okay, students. So 4/3. This is first, second, third. So question number second. Write the following statement in the wording form. 4/3 belongs to Q. We have to written in the wording form. 4/3 belongs to Q. This belongs to represented by E symbol. Okay, we represented belongs to. Is it 4/3? So how to written in the wording form? So 4/3 belongs to Q. We have to written in wording form. Second question was, students, we have solved the first question. In second questions, we written in this fashion. So this means what? 2 does not belongs to M. -2 does not belongs to M. We have discussed this. Nikhil sir belongs to Maharashtra state. But if I ask the question, Nikhil sir does not belongs to UP state. Nikhil sir does not belongs to West Bengal. Nikhil sir does not belongs to Madhya Pradesh. So does not belongs to. Okay, students, we have solved this. So what is 2 -2 does not belongs to M. So it is written as -2 does not belongs to and this symbol represent does not belong to, it is not a member of the set. Say for example Nikhil sir belongs to what, Maharashtra, but Nikhil sir does not belongs to UP, does not belongs to Madhya Pradesh. So does not belongs to written as E, and you have to make this line, you have to written in this way. Okay student, so thank you for watching this video. In the next video we will discuss the next topic, okay, types of sets. Next practice set 1.2 we are going to see. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.